Hey there! Welcome to Purely Positivity. Are you looking for some natural skincare products to help keep your skin looking great all year round? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 natural skincare products that will help you achieve healthy and glowing skin. Our first product is coconut oil. This multi-purpose oil can be used to hydrate your skin, remove makeup, and even as a shaving cream. It's packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties that help fight off acne-causing bacteria. Next up is honey. It's a natural humectant, meaning it helps to retain moisture in your skin. Honey also has antibacterial properties, making it great for preventing acne and reducing inflammation. Moving on to aloe vera gel, this plant is known for its soothing and healing properties. It can be used to treat sunburn, eczema, and psoriasis. Aloe vera gel is also great for hydrating and moisturizing your skin. Our fourth product is jojoba oil. This oil is similar to the natural oils found in our skin, making it easily absorbed without leaving a greasy residue. Jojoba oil is great for balancing oil production, preventing acne, and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Last but not least, we have green tea. This antioxidant-rich tea is not only great for drinking but can also be used as a toner for your skin. It helps to reduce inflammation, prevent aging, and improve skin complexion. There you have it. 5 natural skincare products that will help keep your skin looking great all year round. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more great content like this. Thanks for watching Purely Positivity.